Okay, so just a quick disclaimer before we get started. I am not a CTA, which stands for Commodities Trading Advisor, meaning I can teach you the strategies, I can help you learn to analyze the charts, I can point out setups that I personally want to buy and sell, but the actual trading decision is going to be 100% up to you.
Hey everybody, Benny Allen here, Top Trader with IM Mastery Academy. Just want to shoot this quick video to give an update to our pound CAD trade that we entered. I believe it was on Sunday. It has now smashed through all take profit levels, so all three take profit levels have hit, and it has, from the maximum entry point at 176.64, has dropped over 400 pips. Let me double check that here. Let's see, from the maximum entry point, yeah, like 416 pips. We didn't catch all of it because of the way we entered the trade. It didn't enter from the maximum entry point, but we had 3 orders in, which is what we often like to do on a harmonic scanner. So if you were trading at $3 a pip, you would just split that up into 3 mini lots, so $1 a piece, so that way we can take profit along the way. So one take profit at take profit 1, another one at take profit 2, and the third and the final one at take profit 3. So we actually compound the trade. So this trade ended up over 500 plus pips for us, because we like to move our stop down as those take profits are hit. So that's how we work our trade management in regards to the IM Mastery Harmonic Scanner. So we can switch over to the our Smart Trader chart. Okay, and like we always suggest, always redraw your charts on whatever trading platform that you use, whether it be TradingView, MT4, I use Smart Trader. And you can see here that you had 3 Fibonacci wave sequences, right? So you can see here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3 that just finished out. You actually have a D extension at 170.268 that was almost in perfect confluence with the take profit 3 level from the harmonic scanner. And you can see up here where we didn't enter at the maximum entry, we actually took this here once we got a trend line break, and we saw the momentum started to slow from the upside and started to work its way down. So once we got the trend line break and we got the pullback, you can see here that we had a little head and shoulders action here. If you can't see it, I know I've got a lot of things drawn up on my screen. You can see here we had a little head and shoulders action here that came in confluence with that minimum entry point, which is the solid green line. So you can see here where we had a little head and shoulders action there, and which led us to, hey, here's where we want to place our entries. And you can see here that we took 3 orders all the way to the downside. So let's see, when you measure that out, we had 1 order take profit. So we got that at approximately, let's see, like 61 pips there. Second trade, 169 pips there. And we got a third trade that was at 342. So made over 500 pips or so on this trade. And you know what? It's on to the next one. The great thing about the harmonic scanner, that it is finding those high probability reversal type trade setups for us 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, as long as the forex market is working, is open and working, the harmonic scanner is working. So we're definitely looking forward to the next trade. So again, just closed out the pound CAD sell trade on the 1 hour chart. Great way to get through a Thursday is to close out and be up that many pips. Nice little boost to the equity curve. So again, our mission is simple. Hey, we educate, we empower, and we enrich the lives of other people. Until the next time, everybody, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and make sure, hey, if you're learning something from these videos, we definitely want to produce more videos for you. Please make sure that you comment, like, and share. All right, till the next time, God bless everybody.